So today we are going to start learning about the non-authoritative applications and we'll be onboarding the same. So let me open the SailPoint. Okay. So you can see the presentation, right? Non-authoritative applications 1. So we are going to cover that first. Yep. So here we'll be discussing about onboarding the applications and how do you do the correlation in SailPoint, how the data transformation happens. And we'll be discussing about the topics, application and connector planning resources, defining non-authoritative applications and delimited file connector, planning resources for onboarding. So here we have these planning resources, application and connector. So we'll be working on the application onboarding questionnaire and connector SailPoint functional requirement template. So basically there will be an default template provided by SailPoint team. So that template will be used by every organization. So whenever you're working on application onboarding, you will be sharing that particular template to the application owner, and that application owner would be approving the providing all the details or filling all the details in that requirement gathering template. So let me just show you how that sample template looks like. Let me just yep, you can see here SailPoint application onboarding questionnaire. Okay, this is a sample template that is provided by the SailPoint team only. So every organization, they'll be having this particular template. And they will be filling all these details in it. Okay, so this will be kind of modified with organization to organization. The data might be modified, but the content would remain the same. So this is how it will be looking like. So in that application name, owner details, what are the approvers, what are the entitlements, and which environments that you need to pass these entitlements. So these are all the activities that will be captured or mentioned in this particular questionnaire document. So these are all the details that you have. Next, what information do we need? We need accounts, attributes, entitlements, and account groups. So till now we learned about the authoritative application, right? In the authoritative application, what is the data that we have passed? We have passed the identity information. Whereas in the non-authoritative applications, what data that we'll be passing it? We will be passing it the entitlements or the accesses that we are going to be passed. Okay, so the main intention of this non-authoritative application creation is the accesses, whatever that we have it, right? That accesses we are going to assign to the authoritative identity cubes. So previously we have onboarded the authoritative application, right? So that authoritative application identity cubes, we are going to allocate some entitlements. Here entitlements are nothing but the accesses. So these accesses come from the non-authoritative applications. So in an organization also, you will be having one HR department which you have where you have all your identity information, and rest all the other departments like finance department, IT department, transportation department. So in all the other applications, whatever that you have in your organization, those contains the entitlements or accesses that should be assigned to these identities who are part of the HR system. So that's how the entire procedure goes like. So we have entitlements. Entitlements means accesses. Account groups means like a permissions. Okay, so what kind of a permission? For example, I have an access in so and so application. So in that access also, what kind of permission that I have, that also will be coming in if you have an account to groups kind of an data.